All right. Now, two questions that came out right now. So how about when the people has garbage disposal in the house?
So garbage disposal is not recommended with a septic system. Whether you have the garbage safe disposals or not, we don't recommend adding those or using those when you have a septic system. It's a good question, Alex.
Okay.
Great question.
Now, on the other one, depends on the size of the bedrooms, is the size of the septic. So how soon or how often do you need to suck it up, all that junk inside there?
Yeah, so they size the tank according to the bedrooms, so therefore it's still about every 3 to 4 years. Unless you have an excessive amount of people in the house. You could have a 3-bedroom house with 7 kids. You probably got to pump it every 2 years, every year and a half, 2 years.
Okay, it depends on the size of the family. Is the
Yeah.
bigger, the more consistent you have to be.
Yes, because you could have an oversized family. The amount of families per bedroom, you could have 2 people in each bedroom. Now you have a lot of usage for the system.
All right. How about detergents, like washer and the washer and all that stuff?
So,
They're gonna
so
be
yeah, so you have to wash your clothes. Obviously, you want to limit your bleach products. You don't want to do excessive amount of bleach in one day. Like, don't be just bleaching for 2 days straight, because now you have excess of bleach in the tank, which kills the anaerobic bacteria that helps break down your solids in the tank.
So the bacteria is very important.
Yeah, so you want a lot of bacteria in there. They call it anaerobic, and it's just kind of eats away at the solids. You still have to pump the solids every 3 to 4 years. They don't completely disappear, but it helps maintain a certain level in the tank.
All right. So the bacteria is good on a system, a septic system, not in our bodies, of course.
That's the perfect place for bacteria is in your septic system.
All right.